Let's dive into the secret to personal growth. Have you ever found yourself wondering what the key to personal growth really is? Well, today we're going to uncover that mystery together. Personal growth is all about constantly evolving and becoming the best version of ourselves. And one crucial aspect of this journey is reflection. Taking the time to look back on our experiences, learn from them, and grow is essential for self-improvement. But let's be real, we've all been there, feeling stuck, like we're not making any progress despite our best efforts. It's frustrating and can make us question if we're on the right path towards personal development. Personal growth is a lifelong journey that involves continually evolving, learning, and improving. One of the most powerful tools for fostering personal growth is self-reflection. By regularly taking the time to reflect on your experiences, decisions, and behaviors, you can gain valuable insights into yourself and chart a course for a more fulfilling and successful life. In this guide, we'll explore the secret to personal growth through the practice of reflecting on your life. 1. Understanding self-reflection. 1.1. What is self-reflection? Definition: self-reflection is the process of examining your thoughts, emotions, and actions to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Purpose: it helps you identify your strengths, weaknesses, values, and aspirations and make more informed decisions. 1.2. Importance of self-reflection. Self-awareness increases your awareness of your thoughts and behaviors, enabling you to understand your motivations and reactions. Personal development identifies areas for growth and improvement, helping you to become the best version of yourself. Decision-making enhances your ability to make decisions that align with your values and goals. 2. Benefits of reflecting on your life. 2.1. Emotional intelligence. Understanding emotions helps you recognize and understand your emotions and how they influence your behavior. Managing emotions equips you with the skills to manage your emotions effectively, leading to better relationships and mental health. 2.2. Goal setting and achievement. Clarifying goals assists in clarifying your goals and aligning them with your values. Tracking progress enables you to track your progress and make necessary adjustments to stay on course. 2.3. Building resilience. Learning from mistakes encourages you to view mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures. Adapting to change prepares you to adapt to change and overcome challenges more effectively. 3. How to practice self-reflection. 3.1. Journaling. Daily journaling. Write about your daily experiences, thoughts, and feelings to gain insight into your behaviors and patterns. Prompted journaling. Use prompts to explore specific aspects of your life, such as, what am I grateful for today? Or, what challenges did I face and how did I overcome them? 3.2. Meditation and mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation. Practice being present and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Guided meditation. Use guided meditations to explore your inner world and gain clarity on specific issues. 3.3. Seeking feedback. Trusted individuals. Ask for feedback from trusted friends, family, or mentors to gain an external perspective on your behavior and decisions. 360-degree feedback. Utilize formal feedback tools to gather insights from multiple sources. 3.4. Regular reflection sessions. Scheduled time. Set aside regular time for self-reflection, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Structured reflection. Use a structured approach, such as reviewing specific goals, assessing recent experiences, and identifying lessons learned. 4. Techniques for effective self-reflection. 4.1. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Identify your strengths and how you can leverage them. Weaknesses. Recognize your weaknesses and areas for improvement. Opportunities. Explore opportunities for growth and development. Threats. Assess potential obstacles and how to overcome them. 4.2. The 5 Whys root cause analysis. Use the 5 Whys technique to explore the root cause of a particular issue or behavior. Deep exploration. Ask why 5 times to uncover underlying motivations and beliefs. 4.3. The Wheel of Life balance. Assess different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Visual representation. Use a visual tool to identify imbalances in areas that need attention. 5. Overcoming barriers to self-reflection. 5.1. Time constraints. Prioritizing time. Schedule self-reflection sessions as you would any other important activity. Micro-reflection. Engage in brief reflection moments throughout the day, such as during a commute or before bed. 5.2 Discomfort with introspection. Gradual approach. Start with short, simple reflection exercises and gradually deepen your practice. Support system. Seek support from a coach, therapist, or mentor to guide you through the process. 5.3 Fear of negative emotions. Safe space. Create a safe, non-judgmental space for self-reflection. Acceptance. Practice self-compassion and acceptance, recognizing that negative emotions are a natural part of the growth process. 6. Case studies and examples. 6.1 Personal stories. Success stories. Learn from individuals who have transformed their lives through self-reflection. Lessons learned. Understand the challenges they faced and the strategies they used to overcome them. 6.2 Famous examples. Public figures. Explore how well-known figures have used self-reflection to achieve success and personal growth. Historical figures. Study historical examples of leaders and thinkers who emphasize the importance of self-reflection. 7. Integrating self-reflection into daily life. 7.1 Daily habits. Morning reflection. Start your day with a brief reflection on your goals and intentions. Evening reflection. End your day by reviewing your experiences and identifying lessons learned. 7.2 Mindful activities. Mindful walking. Practice mindfulness while walking, paying attention to your surroundings and your internal state. Creative expression. Use creative activities such as drawing, painting, or music as a form of self-reflection. 7.3 Lifelong commitment. Continuous learning. Embrace self-reflection as a lifelong practice. Adaptation. Be willing to adapt your reflection practices as you grow and change. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth and development. By regularly examining your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, you can gain valuable insights into yourself, make more informed decisions, and achieve your goals. The journey of self-awareness and reflection is ongoing, and the benefits are profound. Embrace the practice of self-reflection and unlock the secrets to a more fulfilling and successful life. Remember, the key to personal growth lies within you, and self-reflection is the path to unlocking your full potential. So I challenge you to take a moment today to reflect on your own journey. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on personal development. Remember, the secret to personal growth lies within you,